So, how are businesses handling thousands of customer conversations on WhatsApp without hiring large sales or support team? So, the answer is automation. Today, businesses are no longer manually replying to every customer messages. Instead, they are using WhatsApp automation to send offer campaigns, generate leads, and book consultation. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how businesses are automating both sales and support on WhatsApp using Pabbly Chatflow. With Pabbly Chatflow, you can send attractive WhatsApp broadcast templates to more than 1,000 plus users with just one click. And the moment a customer interacts with those messages by clicking a quick reply button, an automated chatbot immediately takes over the conversation and guides the customer based on their interest. This means you can promote your business, engage your audience, and provide support automatically all from one platform. So let's jump into Pabbly Chatflow and see how businesses are using WhatsApp automation to scale their sales and support operations. Now, the first feature that makes this possible is broadcast feature that are present inside Pabbly Chatflow. So if you are running a business and want to send offers, updates, or promotional messages to thousands of your users, then this feature is going to be extremely valuable for you because it allows you to send approved WhatsApp template messages to the large number of contacts simultaneously. Instead of manually sending messages one by one, you can create a campaign once and deliver it to your entire audience with just few clicks. For creating a new broadcast, you just have to click on this plus add broadcast button. Select the broadcast type from here, give your broadcast name, and here you can select the contact list on whom you want to send the broadcast message. So now you might be wondering how you can add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you just have to go towards this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts. You can add contacts one by one manually as well as add in bulk. I recommend you to add contacts in bulk. For uploading a bulk contact, you just have to upload a CSV file. Now, what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format, just like this. See, first name, last name, and phone number. I have created a CSV file by using Google Sheet. You can use Excel also. After adding a user's contacts, you just have to click on this files option and download it in a CSV format. Because only CSV files are allowed with a 50 MB size limit and a maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting this single tool is. If you like this tool till now, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this tool is going to be really very beneficial for you and your business as well. Now, after adding a contacts, you can also create a list by clicking on this option. I have already created some. After creating it, you just have to select the list from here. Next, the refine audience. It is an optional. If you want to exclude the contact list, then you can select it from here. And if you want to exclude the specific contact you don't want to receive the broadcast, then you can select that contacts from this drop down. After that, select the message type from here. It will provide you two options as pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message by selecting a message type from here and enter the message on this field. But I recommend you to go with this pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and they follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. For selecting it, just click on this option. I have already created this discount alert template before. You just have to upload the image from your gallery and insert it. So this is the final look of the template that are going to visible in front of your user. For creating this type of attractive templates, you just have to go towards this templates feature as everything is present inside this single tool. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a WhatsApp templates inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. After doing all the setup, you can test the broadcast from here by entering your number in this field and just schedule it. After that, you just have have to click on this plus add broadcast button, and this is how easily you can send this type of attractive templates to your 1000+ users. Now what happens when a customer actually interacts with the broadcast message? Automatically the chatbot flow gets triggered. See, it is only made possible with the help of this flow that I have already created before, and inside this flow I have selected the trigger event as template selected and selected the same discount alert template. So whenever the user will click on this yes book now button, then the bot will share them this type of message, and when they click on this show offer, then bot shares them the offers. I have taken the buttons for reading this flow that are present inside these messages and actions option. You can also take this and customize the flow. Trust me, the creation process of this flow is the easiest thing that I have ever done. You just have to simply do the drag and drop process and just make the connection. In real time, it works like this. See, for adding this type of questions, you just have to take this question node from here and enter the question in this enter message box. Select the contact custom field from here and customize the message just like this. Now the term I have used the contact custom field is works like this, that it is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, contact number and many more. In simple terms, contact custom fields are used for sending personalized message based on the user input. I'll show you how it will work. See, here I have selected the contact custom field as full name, and after this thanks I have used the same contact custom field and $1 symbol before this field. See, it works in real time like this. As soon as I have shared the full name as Riya Singh, it will automatically mention the Riya Singh after this thanks. So it is only made possible with the help of this contact custom field node and this dollar symbol. Moving forward, for adding this type of list message, you just have to take this list button from here and customize it like this. And for adding a text button, you can take this text button, enter the content inside it and makes the connection. The process is very simple. If you want me to create a separate detailed video of this chatbot flow, then comment it. I will create a tutorial for that too. Now I'm going to end this tutorial. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding both of these setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. It works 24/7 for your business. Give instant response to your users without you touching your phone. And that's how businesses are automating sales and support on WhatsApp using Pabbly Chatflow. What we saw today is much more than just sending a WhatsApp messages. We walked through the complete customer journey from broadcasting attractive templates to thousands of users, all the way automatically engaging customers through chatbot flows based on the buttons they click. So instead of manually responding to each and every inquiry, business can automate customer conversations, book consultation and give them instant follow-ups. The real power of Pabbly Chatflow comes from combining these two capabilities together. The broadcast feature helps you to reach your audience at scale, while the flow builder ensures every customer receives a personalized and automated experience. So if you are looking for all-in-one WhatsApp automation solution that can help you automate marketing, sales, lead generation and customer support, then Pabbly Chatflow is definitely worth exploring. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.